Hey guys, Shawn Yacoubian here from Yacoubian Muay Thai. Today we're gonna go over the basic kick to the body. Body kicks with the right leg. You wanna be in the fighting stance. Every time you're going to kick, you're gonna get up on your toe first, your front foot on the toe. That way you will make sure that you will have something to pivot with. If your foot is grounded, there's nothing to pivot with on the heel. You always wanna pivot on the ball of your foot. Up on your toe, and you're gonna launch off the back foot. Again, there's several ways to throw a body kick. I'm gonna show you 2 ways today. You're gonna launch off the back foot. Once you release the heel from the ground, you're able to pivot. So you release the heel, you launch, and you swing your right hip and your right shoulder toward the target. Up on your toe, swing your arm back as you twist into the kick. You want to cover your chin as you kick. When you're kicking in the air, shadow boxing, again, same thing. You release the heel from the ground and you swing through. You can swing all the way through a 360, or you could just stop it like so and then come back. Whenever you kick through, never take your eyes off the opponent. So the basic kick to the body, you're kicking with this part of your shin. Now, the first variation we talked about is getting up on your toe and swinging. Second one is called Dutch style tatam. So when you are you're loading up on the kick. So instead of just getting up on your front foot and swinging, you're gonna load up. And in order to load up, you load up by dropping your weight down so you have something to push you up with. And that's the basic Muay Thai body kick. Thanks for watching.